Are you tired of snowing dandruff flakes every time you scratch your head? Say no more. Our video is your ultimate guide to banishing dry scalp and dandruff from the comfort of your home. Join us as we spill the secrets to nourished, flake-free hair using simple DIY remedies. It's time to bid those pesky white specks farewell and welcome a healthy, happy scalp. Here are the best natural methods to alleviate the symptoms of dry scalp and dandruff. 1. Coconut oil. Many have cherished coconut oil for centuries due to its remarkable ability to nourish and revitalize the hair and scalp. Its unique composition of fatty acids penetrates deeply into the hair shaft, providing essential moisture and promoting a healthy scalp environment. But what truly sets coconut oil apart is its antimicrobial properties, making it an effective weapon against dandruff-causing yeast and bacteria. Massaging warm coconut oil into the scalp and leaving it on for a few hours or overnight can combat dryness, irritation, and flakiness. Moreover, coconut oil is rich in vitamins E, K, and iron, vital nutrients that promote overall hair health while soothing an itchy scalp. As an all-natural remedy with no harsh chemicals or side effects, it's a gentle yet potent solution for those struggling with dandruff. Using coconut oil can also help strengthen the hair follicles, prevent breakage, and add a lustrous sheen to your locks. Whether you use it alone or combine it with other beneficial ingredients such as tea tree oil or lemon juice, adding coconut oil to your grooming routine could be the secret weapon you seek in your battle against dry scalp and dandruff. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, derived from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia plant, is a powerhouse when it comes to addressing dry scalp and dandruff issues. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties make it an effective solution for combating the underlying causes of these conditions. When it comes into contact with the scalp, tea tree oil helps soothe irritation, reduce flakiness, and promote a healthier scalp environment. A key advantage of tea tree oil is its ability to unclog hair follicles and nourish the roots, promoting better hair growth and overall scalp health. Besides, its calming effects can alleviate itching and discomfort often associated with dry scalp. Incorporating tea tree oil into your hair care routine offers a natural remedy that targets dandruff and rejuvenates your scalp. In addition to its therapeutic benefits for the scalp, tea tree oil boasts a pleasantly refreshing scent that can enhance your shower experience. Harnessing this versatile essential oil in your daily regime can combat dry scalp and dandruff while refreshing your sensory experience, making it an indispensable addition to any DIY home treatment. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, a succulent plant famous for its healing properties, has long been hailed as a natural remedy for dry scalp and dandruff. Its soothing and moisturizing gel contains vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. When applied topically, aloe vera can help alleviate itching, flaking, and irritation associated with dry scalp. Aloe vera has a unique ability to balance the pH level of the scalp, which in turn helps restore moisture and prevent dandruff formation. Its anti-inflammatory compounds reduce redness and discomfort from scalp dryness. Incorporating pure aloe vera gel into your hair care routine or using shampoos infused with this wonder plant can cure dry scalp issues effectively. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Many hail apple cider vinegar as a natural remedy for various ailments, including dry scalp and dandruff. Its acidic nature helps exfoliate the scalp and remove dead skin cells, which are often the cause of dandruff. Apple cider vinegar also contains antibacterial and antifungal compounds that combat the underlying causes of a dry, itchy scalp. When using apple cider vinegar for hair care, dilute it with water to avoid irritation or damage to the scalp and hair. A usual recommendation is to mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water and apply the solution to the scalp before shampooing. This application method can help restore the pH balance of the scalp and leave hair looking healthy and shiny. With its natural cleansing properties, apple cider vinegar offers an affordable and accessible solution for those seeking relief from dry scalp and dandruff without relying on harsh chemical treatments. 5. Witch hazel. Witch hazel, a natural astringent with soothing properties, has become popular as a home remedy for dry scalp and dandruff. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic qualities make it an effective treatment for calming scalp irritation and reducing flakiness. Applying witch hazel to the scalp helps cleanse and balance the skin, promoting healthier hair growth. Its gentle nature also makes it suitable for all hair types, setting it up as an inclusive solution for those struggling with various scalp issues. Witch hazel differs from traditional dandruff treatments by hydrating the scalp without leaving any greasy residue. Its non-drying formula helps maintain the skin's natural moisture balance while relieving itching and irritation from dry scalp and dandruff. Using witch hazel as part of a regular hair care routine addresses existing concerns and prevents future flare-ups by nurturing a healthier scalp environment. Witch hazel is a promising alternative in combating dry scalp and dandruff issues at home due to its natural healing properties that promote a balanced and nourished scalp. 6. Baking soda and olive oil. Baking soda and olive oil may seem like an unlikely duo. However, these two natural ingredients can work wonders when treating a dry scalp and dandruff. Baking soda is a gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and excess oil. These wastes contribute to flakiness. Meanwhile, olive oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that nourish the scalp, reduce inflammation, and moisturize dry skin. When combined, baking soda and olive oil are a potent treatment for dry scalp and dandruff. The exfoliating properties of baking soda help cleanse the scalp, while the emollient nature of olive oil provides deep hydration. This dynamic combination tackles existing dandruff and prevents recurrence by restoring balance to the scalp's natural oils. Moreover, the soothing effects of olive oil can alleviate itching or irritation from dryness, leaving you with a healthier, more comfortable scalp. 7. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a miracle worker for banishing dry scalp and dandruff. Unlike many other oils, jojoba is similar to the natural sebum that our skin produces, making it an ideal moisturizer for the scalp. Its lightweight and non-greasy texture makes it easy to spread and absorb, providing deep hydration without clogging pores or weighing down hair. Besides, jojoba oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritation and reduce flakiness, promoting a healthier scalp environment. What's more, jojoba oil is loaded with vitamins and minerals that nourish the scalp and hair follicles. Its high vitamin E content helps repair damaged skin cells and promote healthy hair growth. Even so, its antimicrobial properties help fight fungal infections that initiate dandruff, making it a versatile solution for addressing multiple causes of dryness and flaking on the scalp. As you can see, banishing a dry scalp and dandruff at home doesn't have to be a head-scratcher. You can bid farewell to those pesky flakes for good with the right combination of natural remedies, proper hair care habits, and a sprinkle of patience. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of dandruff with baking soda. Thanks for watching and bye for now.